We're out cruising this morning. It's fairly early. I don't usually work her this early in the morning. This is Greentree Spontaneity, and she is just doing great. She wanted to go out to the south this morning, so we did that first. But we were going straight into the wind, so I didn't see any point in trying to video because it would be too noisy. So here we go out to the north. And at the point when we turn around, I'm going to turn this off because the winds are picking up and we're supposed to have 60-mile-an-hour winds this afternoon. Now, to you people up in the mountains, that doesn't sound like much. And when I was in Colorado, no big deal. 60 miles an hour was kind of a regular thing. 70 miles an hour was a regular thing. Here, those are damaging winds. It is absolutely amazing what 1,000 feet of altitude does to the strength of the wind. And it's miserable. I have a friend who's grown a whole lot of tomatoes this year, and I said, well, you're going to be able to look out and watch all of your tomatoes blow right off the vine this afternoon. We're also supposed to have a hard freeze tonight. We've had maybe freezes for the last several nights, but this is definitely hard freeze night, so. And we'll just kind of see how things go. What a good girl. You want to go a little farther today? We're going to go a little farther than our usual half mile. It is kind of rocky going further north, and she just had her feet trimmed, so I don't know how that's going to go. She has very tough feet. And we'll just kind of see how things go when we get down here. She is one of those children who absolutely loves getting out to go. She loves exploring new places and new things. And theoretically, over the weekend, we may have some rain, so we'll be very glad for our indoor arena. At the moment, we're doing outside while we can. So again, this is Greentree Spontaneity. She is a long yearling filly. I don't usually start them this early, but I'm having a knee replaced in December, and that would have been just 15 days after I usually start them. Keep going. I know that's where we usually turn around, isn't it? We're going to keep going instead. She doesn't like the tanks over there, despite the fact she lived out there with them for a while. Once snake season is over, we'll turn the youngsters out to go out to the north, but the youngsters are just too nosy. So I prefer to keep them away from known rattlesnake territory. Good girl. I also have not introduced her to clippers yet because it is rattlesnake season, and I want her to not be comfortable with that sound yet. Maybe by the beginning of next week. It's supposed to be colder and wetter and actually fall. It was 88 degrees yesterday. This is just crazy. And now the wind is picking up, and because the wind is picking up, I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. We hope you guys have a great day. Please like, subscribe, share, all those things. And have an absolutely wonderful day.